So, good morning, all of you. Right. So, welcome to the our today's session. So, in our previous lecture, we had started monophasic liquid dosage form, right? Monophasic liquid dosage form, in which we had done some introduction part of monophasic liquid dosage form, right? This content we had already done it. Okay. Then also we saw the classification. Okay, classification, that is the classification of monophasic liquid dosage form. It is very important, right? On exam point of view, right? Then this is mixture. We had started the mixture, that is liquid used for internal administration, right? In which there is a mixture, syrup, elixirs and linctons. This preparation are comes under the liquid used for internal administration, right? Also we saw the mixture, right? What is mixture? A mixture, so let simply know about the mixture. A mixture is a liquid preparation administered internally, containing medicament or other additives are dissolved in a suitable vehicle, right? Means mixture is made up of medicament and suitable vehicle, right? If a mixture dispense in for one dose, that time we call it draught, right? Otherwise mixer has a several dose, right? Okay, so from today we will starting the classification of mixture, right? So let's begin, right? Classification of mixture means the types of mixture are right. Classification means the types of mixtures or mixtures are divided into very 5 kind of mixture, right? That is first is a simple mixture containing soluble substance, then mixture containing diffusible solid, mixture containing indiffusible solid, mixture containing precipitate forming liquid, then mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. Okay, so by this way the mixture are categorized or classified, right? So we will discuss each and every classification of mixture one by one, right, in a detail, right? So okay, so first of all, our simple mixture, right? Simple mixture containing a soluble substance means simple mixture, right? That mixture contains a soluble substance, means the substance which are freely soluble in mixture, right? It contain only soluble ingredient, right? Means simple mixture made up of soluble ingredient, made up of soluble ingredients and liquid, right? Means it is a solution of soluble ingredient and vehicle, right? So there is an example of simple mixture, that is carminative mixture. It is a one of the example of soluble mixture, simple mixture. Then diarrhea mixture, then expectorant mixture, right? This is the example of simple mixture, right? And it is carminative mixture given to at a particular condition, right? As like whenever need to expel out when the patient got a acidity problem, right? Then diarrheal mixture in case of diarrhea, then expectorant for the relating to the cough, right? Right, so simple mixture, right? It is a simple mixture, it contains a soluble ingredient, right? Then how to prepare the or how to dispense the simple mixture, right? Simple mixture. So first of all we need to dissolve the all soluble substance into 3/4 of vehicle, right? 3/4 of vehicle. 3/4 means that is how much we have to take, that is okay. Method of dispensing simple mixture, right? So first, this is the procedure how to dispense the simple mixture. By this way we can easily dispense the, or we need to dispense the simple medical by adopting this procedure, right? This way. The first of all, dissolve the solid substance in 3/4 of vehicle. Means first of all we have to dissolve the all soluble ingredient. Soluble ingredients means which are we are needed, right? The soluble substance first of all we have to need a dissolve the all soluble substance in a 3/4 of vehicle. 3/4 of vehicle means, if suppose for example there is a 200 ml vehicle, right? 200 ml vehicle, that divide the 200 ml vehicle means divide 200 divided by 4 means there is a 4 part, means 15 ml 50 ml of each part, right? From that we have to take a 150 ml of vehicle. In 150 ml of vehicle we have to dissolve the solid substance, that is a 3/4 of vehicle. ओके, मतलब सपोज करो 200 ml यहाँ पे वाटर vehicle है या फिर लिक्विड है, उसको उसका जो 3 पार्ट लेना है, ठीक है? मतलब उसको पहले 4 पार्ट करना है, तो ईच पार्ट 50 ml आएगा, तो 50 ml ईच पार्ट मीन्स 3 पार्ट मीन्स 150 ml vehicle लेके हमें सॉलिड जो सॉलिड सब्सटेंस है उसे क्या करना है, डिसॉल्व करना है, राइट? See the solution by holding it against light. After proper dissolution of soluble substance in a required vehicle, we have to examine the solution by holding it against the light. After dissolving the solid substance, we have to examine the solution by holding it against light, right? Examine for the presence of any kind of foreign materials or particles, right? If foreign particles visible, then filter it by cotton wool, right? During the examination of solution, right, if we will see the any kind of foreign particles or foreign materials, right? That time we have to filter that solution by using the cotton wool, right? Then after filtration, if there is a foreign particle, then you have to need filter out with the help of cotton wool. After that, then add any kind of ingredient, right? Add any kind of liquid ingredient, right? Rather than solid ingredient, there is a presence of any other ingredient, liquid ingredient. That time you have to dissolve it, right, or add it. Then after that, add more vehicle to produce a final volume. After addition of liquid ingredient, we go for the making a final volume, right, with the help of vehicle. After making a final volume, the solution or mixture transfer the mixture into the bottle, right? Bottle means container, required container. Then cork it, means cork to bottle. Then label the bottle. Then wrap the bottle and dispense it, right? Wrap the bottle and dispense it. By this way we should dispense the simple mixture, right? Then our second type of mixture, that is from the classification, mixture containing diffusible solid. Mixture containing diffusible solid. The first one is simple mixture containing soluble substance, right? And our second is mixture containing diffusible solid. Then see, the substance which does not dissolve in a liquid but it distributes throughout the vehicle for sufficient time after shaking are called as a soluble substance. Means this is the definition or exact meaning of diffusible solid. Means, right, the solid means the substance, that is a solid which does not dissolve in a liquid, right? Means the solid which are not able to dissolve himself in a liquid or does not mix with a liquid, right? But it distributes throughout the vehicle. Okay, the substance which does not dissolve in a liquid, but it can distribute throughout the vehicle for a sufficient time after shaking. That type of सॉलिड कॉल्ड एज अ डिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड मीन्स ऐसा सॉलिड या फिर ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो पानी में डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है बट वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है पानी के अंदर, मीन्स पानी के अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है, घुल जाता है, डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है लेकिन मिल जाता है पानी के साथ. ओके, फॉर दी कुछ टाइम तक आफ्टर शेकिंग. अगर उसे शेक करते हैं तो कुछ टाइम तक क्या होता है, वो डिफ्यूज़ हो जाता है या फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है व्हीकल में. वैसे टाइप के जो सॉलिड है उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, diffusible solid, right? For example, the example of diffusible solid that is light kaolin, bismuth carbonate, magnesium carbonate, right? देखा जाए तो ये जो मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट है इसे डायरेक्टली पानी में डिजोल्व करोगे तो पानी में ऐड करोगे तो डिजोल्व नहीं होगा, ठीक है. लेकिन उसे अगर शेक करते हो तो सफिशिएंट टाइम तक क्या होगा, वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, पानी में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होकर रहेगा, ठीक है, लेकिन डिजोल्व नहीं होगा, राइट. तो इसी काइंड ऑफ सब्सटेंस वी आर कॉल्ड एज, तो दिस काइंड ऑफ सब्सटेंस वी आर कॉल्ड एज diffusible solid. Okay, then there is a dispensing method or dispensing procedure for the diffusible solid. If we need to dispense the diffusible kind of solid, right, in the form of mixture, that time we have to follow this method of dispensing, right. So firstly, mix the fine powder drug and any soluble drug in mortar, right. First of all, there is a use of apparatus, that is mortar. With the help of mortar we have to mix the fine powder, right. Fine powder drug means diffusible solid, and any other soluble drug, right, in mortar. Then measure 3/4 vehicle, means we have to measure the vehicle, 3/4 of vehicle. From this 3/4 of vehicle, from it take a little vehicle and add to above powder, right. Means in second step there is a measuring the 3/4 of vehicle. We have to measure the 3/4 of vehicle. From this 3/4 of vehicle we have to take a small portion of vehicle, and that small portion of vehicle we have to add into above mixture, that is soluble drug and powder drug, into a above mixture, right, to get a smooth cream, right. To get a smooth cream means this is the mixture of powder, that is our powder, which is this is our powder we are prepared, right. We are mixed it, then we have to add the small portion of vehicle from the this vehicle from it, and we have to make a smooth cream of it, right. Then transfer the content of mortar into a measuring cylinder. Then after obtaining the cream, that cream we have to transfer into the measuring cylinder, right, measuring cylinder. Then rinse the mortar and put into a cylinder. Okay, means the content of mortar, that is smooth cream, we have to transfer into measuring cylinder. Then afterward we have to rinse the mortar and put into cylinder, right. We rinse the mortar and we have to put the content of mortar into a cylinder. Okay, that is we need to transfer the smooth cream into the measuring cylinder, and we have to rinse that mortar, and the content of mortar we have to put into a cylinder, right. After doing this procedure, we have to add any liquid ingredient, right. If there is a presence of any other liquid ingredient, that time after this procedure we have to add it, right. After that, add more vehicle to produce a required volume, right. And finally we have to add a more amount of or more quantity of vehicle in order to produce a required volume, right. Then transfer the mixture into a bottle, cork it, label it, and dispense it, right. Means after producing the or after making the required volume, we have to transfer that mixture in suitable container. Then you have to cork it, then label it and dispense it. And there is a one very important label instruction, right. Means this is a secondary level instruction, right. This is the secondary level instruction, that is shake well before use. This is the very important instruction for the mixture containing the diffusible solid, right. So it is very necessary to label